Number 1. 1997 Ford F250, price $9,950. This truck is powered by a 7.5L 460 V8 gasoline engine paired with an E4OD automatic transmission. It has 161,000 original miles and features a 4x4 drivetrain with manual locking hubs and a 4.10 limited slip rear axle. Finished in white with a gray interior, the truck is equipped with power windows, power door locks, cruise control, a tilt steering wheel, dual fuel tanks, a spray-in bed liner, chrome bumpers, and newer tires with plenty of tread remaining. Overall, it is a solid and dependable pickup with a proven powertrain. The air conditioning does not blow cold, and the driver's seat has a tear, but otherwise the truck is in good condition for its age. Number 2. 2003 Ford Ranger, price $9,500, well-maintained 2WD pickup powered by a reliable 3.0L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has only 109,000 original miles and comes with a clean title in hand along with a clean Carfax report. Finished in a red exterior with a black interior, this gasoline-powered truck has been carefully cared for and remains in excellent condition. The truck is fully equipped with power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, and cruise control for added convenience. The air conditioning blows ice cold, while the upgraded touchscreen double-DIN stereo with a backup camera provides a more modern driving experience. It has recently passed smog inspection, and the registration has been paid through September 2026. Mechanically, the truck is in great shape with new upper and lower ball joints, no oil leaks, no rust, and no known mechanical issues. It has been owned by a non-smoker, leaving the cabin clean and free of unpleasant odors. Number 3. 1996 Ford F150, price $10,000, powered by the legendary 4.9L inline-6 engine and has only 124,000 miles. It runs strong with no leaks or check engine lights, making it a dependable classic pickup. The truck features a 4-inch rough country lift kit, Bilstein B8 5100 shocks, new front-end bushings and tie rod ends for a smoother ride, along with newly installed ceramic front brake pads and rotors. The rear drum brakes work properly but may need cleaning in the future. It rides on 20-inch XD series wheels with tires showing approximately 50 to 70% tread remaining. Inside, the cabin is in very good condition, with fully functional AC and heat, plus a Bluetooth-compatible Kenwood stereo for modern convenience. Overall, this F-150 offers a reliable drivetrain, tasteful upgrades, and a clean interior, making it a solid choice for both daily driving and weekend adventures. Number 4. 2001 GMC Sierra 2500, price $10,000, clean title, accident-free pickup with only 150,000 original miles. Finished in gold with a gray leather interior, it is powered by the dependable 8.1L V8 gasoline engine paired with the renowned Allison automatic transmission. The truck runs and drives excellent with no mechanical issues and has been consistently maintained, including regular oil changes every 3,000 to 4,000 miles. It has no check engine lights, leaks, rust, or corrosion. The exterior is in excellent condition with no major dents or scratches, and the paint shows no fading or clear coat damage. The bed is protected by a Line-X spray-in bed liner. Inside, the smoke-free cabin is clean and well-kept, featuring leather seats, dual power-heated front seats, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, automatic headlights, cruise control, tilt steering wheel, air conditioning, and an AM/FM radio with a cassette player. Number 5. 1994 Dodge Dakota, price $10,000, well-maintained and capable pickup that offers a strong combination of performance, reliability, and practicality. It has traveled 121,000 miles and is powered by a built gasoline engine with approximately 25,000 miles since the rebuild, delivering impressive power and dependable performance. The truck is equipped with an automatic transmission and a 4-wheel drive system, making it well-suited for both daily driving and off-road adventures. Finished in a clean white exterior with a gray interior, this Dakota presents nicely and benefits from newer paint that enhances its overall appearance. It also comes with a canopy, an auxiliary fuel tank for extended driving range, and a quality sound system for added comfort and convenience. Maintenance records and engine build receipts are included, providing confidence in the truck's history and upkeep. Number 6. 1991 Ford F-150, price $4,200. This truck is a well-maintained full-size pickup that has traveled 88,600 miles and is finished in a classic blue exterior paired with a clean gray interior. Powered by a reliable 5.0L V8 gasoline engine and equipped with an automatic transmission, it delivers smooth performance and an enjoyable driving experience. the truck comes well equipped with power windows, power door locks, power steering, comfortable bucket seats, a center console, and fold-down armrests, providing both convenience and comfort. It has been kept very clean throughout, runs and drives excellently, and is ready for its next owner. The vehicle also includes a clear, clean Washington title, making it a solid choice for anyone looking for a dependable classic Ford pickup.
Number 7.
2001 Ford F150, price $5,000, well-maintained full-size pickup that has been cared for over the years. It is powered by a reliable gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. The truck has 197,000 miles on the odometer and features a silver exterior complemented by a clean gray interior, giving it a classic and timeless appearance. The engine runs strong, and the automatic transmission shifts smoothly, making it a dependable choice for everyday driving, work, or light hauling. The radiator has recently been replaced, providing added peace of mind for the next owner. The only known maintenance items are the rear brake pads and rotors, which will need replacement in the near future. Overall, this 2001 Ford F-150 is in great condition for its age, offering a clean appearance, solid mechanical performance, and a reliable driving experience.
Number 8.
1995 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,000, showing 130,000 miles on the odometer. It is powered by a reliable V8 gasoline engine paired with a desirable 5-speed manual transmission, offering an engaging driving experience. Finished in a green exterior with a black interior, the truck presents a classic appearance that complements its timeless design. Mechanically, the truck starts easily, idles smoothly, drives confidently, and stops exactly as it should.
All electronic components are fully functional, adding to its overall reliability and convenience.
It also features an upgraded exhaust system that gives the V8 a deep, satisfying purr, along with custom wheels and tires that enhance both its appearance and road presence. The vehicle comes with a clean and clear title, making it ready for a straightforward transfer to its next owner.
Number 9.
1994 Ford F-150, price $3,150. This truck has 200,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with a manual transmission. Finished in a blue exterior, this classic pickup has been well cared for and remains a solid choice for anyone looking for a dependable truck with a documented history. The truck has recently undergone several important maintenance updates, including the installation of a new clutch. Within the last year, it also received a new oil pan and a new battery, helping ensure it is ready for everyday driving.
One of its biggest highlights is its extensive maintenance history, as the current owner has kept detailed service records dating back to 1998. Number 10.
1987 Toyota pickup, price $5,750, powered by the dependable 22 or gasoline engine and paired with a manual transmission, making it an excellent option for enthusiasts or anyone looking for a durable and reliable pickup. The vehicle has traveled approximately 360,000 miles and features a blue exterior complemented by a brown interior, giving it a timeless appearance that reflects its classic Toyota heritage. The truck is equipped with factory air conditioning and power steering, providing added comfort and convenience during daily driving. It also comes with a set of new tires, allowing the next owner to enjoy improved traction and confidence on the road. The vehicle has a clean title in hand, and the registration is valid through 2027, making the ownership transfer straightforward.